Hello, in this video I want to show you chain namespace lockdown. You can see I have OpenShift.io opened and my user is provisioned against USS2 cluster. So if I go to the chain namespace, you can see that there is a message that basically I do not have admin or edit rights here and I cannot do OC apply of custom deployments. So it's basically what was expected. So user cannot manually apply deployments or other OpenShift resources in the chain namespace, but only can do this in the user namespace here. So here I can do custom deployments. However, from the OpenShift.io user perspective, nothing changes. So if I go to the some namespace and go to the codebases UI and press the open on the workspace, my workspace would be started in the workspace port would be created in the chain namespace as it was done before. So it's just different mechanisms that we use under the hood in OpenShift. So later the OpenShift online proxy used OpenShift.io user tokens, and now it uses the chess service account for workspace creation. So, as I said, from the OpenShift.io user perspective, nothing changes, but it is a very good addition. The access to the namespace is well-grained here, so user will not have a possibility to do custom deployments in the chain namespace. You can see that the port is still in the pooling phase. For some reason, today it takes quite some time to pull the image from the DevShift registry. I frankly would expect it to be faster, but yeah, for some reason it takes some time. So we need to wait a little bit until the workspace port would be started. Let's go back to the workspace here. So yeah, it waits until the image would be pulled and the port would be started. So it started now. Let's get back to the chair workspace. You can see that the dev machine is running now, and all the agent installers are also running, and just in a few seconds we would have the workspace that would be fully set up for development. And as I said, nothing changes from the OpenShift.io user perspective, so it's still the workspace where I can have all the commands and I can execute all of them successfully. So what I wanted to show you is that we, as you might know, we have OC client installed in pretty much every workspace recipe. So you can see that it uses the user namespace currently. So if I do OC project and go to the my chain namespace, and as you can see, I have OpenShift hello world JSON in my namespace. So if I do now C apply of this file OpenShift hello world JSON, I would have the forbidden message that I do not have enough rights to apply these resources in the chain namespace, which is good. So I switch to my user namespace and execute the very same command, and you can see that all the resources have been successfully created. So service root and deployment config. Let's get back to the user namespace, and you can see that the port is created. So if I go to the root, I can see hello OpenShift message. That's it. Thanks for watching.